Alright, so we're just trying to watch some of the fish spawn again. That's how they shake out the eggs. So they've been doing this for a couple of days now. One video shows all the foam on it, but this is them actually going through the process. There's several groups. We have quite a few females in here and a lot of males, of course. Of course, now that I'm out here, they'll stop. And of course, as I'm doing it, I'm getting a bath. Then after they go through, you can look and you can see all the little tiny eggs on this rock right here. All those little spots are eggs. So I'm going to wash those off, get them back in the water. Try to get as many fish as we can if possible. Right now it's a little bit after 6 a.m. About 6:45 actually. When I looked at the clock, it was a little bit earlier, but now they've been doing this since 5:30 this morning. And all over this rock too. All those little spots are all eggs. So I'm going to wash those back into the water. You can see them right there. Get them back in the water. So we'll see if we get some little fish out of it. If we do, I'll show you those videos also. But that's how the fish spawn and create little fish.